Hi guys, I've been sent some SCRUBB UPVC solvent cleaner to try out. We happen to have a rather dirty door to try it on here, so let's give it a wee go. As you can see, we have some discoloration. These are old doors when the house before we moved in. So as you can see, it's quite badly discoloured, so we'll give it a wee shot here and see how it does. Plenty of this on. Yes, that's on there. Leave it now 15 minutes as it says in the bottle. And we'll come back and see how it does. Right there, 15 minutes are past, well about 20. Let's have a wee look and see how we've done. As you can see, it's just before a wipe. You can actually see there's a difference almost straight away. Especially in this midriff here. Now, I'll try to scrub, see if it brings any more up, but I don't know. Now, I think we're asking an awful lot of it here for one application, but it has made quite a bit of difference straight away. Now, you can see the colour on this is a lot better because we go along where I haven't cleaned it. It's quite a bit of difference actually. But we'll try to see if it scrubs anything up, and you can see. Now, this will need a second application. It is very, 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 very dirty, but you can see as well the difference it's actually making already. It does work well. Now, these doors, these are a pretty extreme example to be honest. But it is taking off the worst of it. And I think a couple of goes, and it should actually bring it up very, very well. It's a massive difference already. And you really see a contrast and difference, said little Dougie. You really see a contrast. There's where I haven't done, and that's where I have. So yeah, it's going to need a second dose, but it is massively better. So, as you can see, yeah, it does work. I say it works well, so give it a go.